It's September 27th, the day before 9/28 day. Here's an update of where Project Risky Business stands. You can see the instrument binnacle's back in, the steering wheel is in and properly aligned. All of the dash pod equipment is in. We do have a problem with the fog light, but we'll look at that later. Got the glove box to put in. And you can see I got a mess of wires. We've got some problems with the power windows. Take you through our shakedown cruise from Monday, September 26th. Porsche, there is no substitute. Speedometer works. Yep.